So friends, let me move on to set number 3 on the topic ratio and proportions. So here is question number 11. The ratio between angle of quadrilateral is 3:4:6:7. Half the second largest angle of a quadrilateral is equal to smaller angle of a parallelogram. So what is the value of adjacent angles of a parallelogram? So friends, always remember that while solving set number 2, we have solved many different questions that is based on quadrilateral and also triangle, right? So triangle has a 3 angles, sum of 3 angles should be equal to 180 degree. And if it is a quadrilateral, so quadrilateral has a 4 angles, so sum of 4 angles is equals to 360 degree. Friends, in this question number 11, they are talking about quadrilateral and a parallelogram. So friends, always remember that parallelogram consists of 2 triangles, right? So triangle 1, 3 angles, which is 180 degree, triangle 2 again 180 degree. So the total angle of a parallelogram should be 360 degree. So friends, can you able to understand this concept, right? So parallelogram has a 2 triangles, remember that, right? So friends, another important thing, here they are talking about the quadrilaterals are in a ratio that is angle 3:4:6:7. We already know that how to calculate the angle of a quadrilateral, because 3x plus 4x plus 6x plus 7x. So sum of all the 4 angles, it should be equals to 360 degree. I think 6 plus 4 will be 10, 7 plus 3 will be 10. So 20x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 18. So finally we got x is equal to 18. So friends, remember that half the second largest angle of the quadrilateral. So first largest angle of the quadrilateral will be 7 and the second largest angle will be 6. So 6x divided by 2. Why? Because they are talking about half the second largest angle. So 6x divided by 2 will be 3x. So 3 into value of x, that is 18, which is 54 degree. So friends, half the second largest angle of the quadrilateral, right, which is 54 degree, is equal to small angle of a parallelogram. So friends, always remember that if it is a parallelogram, right, it has a 2 triangles. This is triangle number 1 and this is triangle number 2, right? So triangle 1 and triangle 2. And they are saying that the value which we found 54 degree is equals to smaller angle of a parallelogram. So let me assume that this angle of a parallelogram is 54 degree. We already know that it's a triangle, right? If it is a triangle, sum of 3 angles should be equals to 180 degree. And our target of what is the value of adjacent angles of a parallelogram, right? So friends, if this is 54 degree, then the adjacent angle will be this 2, right? So we already know that it's 180 degree. So total 180 degree minus 54 degree, the resultant will be 126 degree. So finally we can say that the adjacent angles of a parallelogram, the resultant answer will be 126 degree, which is answer for question number 11. So friends, interesting question and also important question, right? Always remember that you should know what is difference between quadrilateral, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. Always remember that what is sum of angles of these diagrams, right? Question number 12. So Mr. Pandit owned 950 gold coins, all of which he distributed among his 3 daughters Lalit, Amita and Nita. So Lalita gave 25 gold coins to her husband and Amita denoted 15 gold coins and Nita made jewels out of 30 gold coins. So the new respective ratio, the coins left with them was 20:73:80, right? 83. How many gold coins did Amita receive from Mr. Pandit? So friends, one of the most interesting question, right? Listen the concept carefully. There is a person, Mr. Pandit, and he is having 950 gold coins, and this 950 gold coins is distributed among 3 daughters, that is Lalita and Amita and also Nita, right? And this person Lalita, after getting some coins, he is giving 25 coins to her husband, right? So next is Amita, right? Amita denote 15 coins and Nita is made jewels out of 30 coins, right? So after spending some coins, the respective ratio are 20:73:83. So friends, listen carefully friends. So 20x plus 73x and 83x, where this ratio will be the ratio that is for coins left, right? So we already know that 950 will be the total coins, and the first person Lalita, he is giving 25 coins, right? And second is Amit, right? So Amita is denoting 15 coins, and also the third will be Nita, right? So Nita made jewels out of 30 coins. So friends, always remember that they have given a ratio that is 20:73:83, but these 3 ratios are for left coins, right? So friends, now our target to find the person Amita received from the person Mr. Pandit, right? So let me first of all simplify this friends. So I think 20x plus 73 plus 83. So 3 plus 3 will be 6. So 15, so this will be 17, right? So 176. So 176x is equal to, so friends, I think this will be 25. So 40 plus 30 will be 70. So when we subtract this, 880. So 880. So x is equal to, I think it is 5. So 5 times. So finally we got x is equal to 5, friends. So friends, our target to find how much gold coin did Amita receive from Mr. Pandit, right? So I think Amita is having, that is Amita, after distributing some coins, he is in a ratio that is 73x. So 73 into 5. So plus, I think Amita was denoting, okay, Amita is denoted 15 gold coins, right? So we can add 15 here. So resultant answer will be the total amount of coin that is received from Mr. Pandit to the daughter, that is Amita. So friends, can you able to understand this concept, right? We have found the value of x is equal to 5, and we already know that the Amita left coins will be 73x. So 73 into 5 plus 15. Why we have added 15? Because she already denoted 15 coins, right? So 73 into 5 plus 15. So 5 into 3 will be 15. So remainder will be 1. 7 5s are 35. So 36 plus 15. So I think 380, right? So finally we can say that from the person, that is Mr. Pandit, the daughter Amita receives 380 coins. Question number 13. The largest and the second largest angle of a triangle are in a ratio that is 13:12 respectively. The smallest angle is 20% of the sum of largest and the second largest angle. So what is the sum of smallest and the second largest angles? So friends, listen carefully. The complete question is based on a triangle, right? If it is a triangle should have a 3 angles, and sum of 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. And they have given the largest and the second largest of a triangles are in a ratio 13:12. So we can definitely say that the largest angle will be 13x and the second largest angle of the triangle will be 12x, right? The smallest angle is 20% of sum of largest and the second largest. So friends, the third angle will be 20% of sum of the remaining angles, right? So I think remaining angles will be 13 plus 12, that is largest and the second largest angle. So out of this 20%, so 20% will be, I think, 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, 13 will be 25. The resultant answer will be 5. So finally we can say that the smallest angle of a triangle will be 5x, right? So friends, listen carefully, friends. So the largest angle will be 13x, and the second largest will be 12x, and the smallest angle of a triangle will be 5x, right? So this 5x will be 20% of sum of the remaining angles. The data is given in the question itself, right? So our target to find what is the sum of smallest and the second largest angle. So our target to find what is the sum of smallest and the second largest triangle, right? Then we need to find what is the value of x, right? We already know that sum of 3 angles is equals to 180 degree. So 13x, so plus 12x plus 5x. So 3 angles, it's equal to 180 degree. So 13 plus 12 will be 25. 25 plus 5 will be 30. So 30x is equal to 180 degree. So value of x will be 6, right? So when we cancel 0 and 0, 6 3s are 18. So finally we got x is equal to 6. But our target to find what is sum of smallest and also second largest angle. So when we add both the values, the resultant will be 17x. So 17, and we already know that the value of x will be 6. I think 102, right? So finally we can say that the sum of smallest and the second largest angle of a triangle will be 102 degree, which is the answer for question number 13. Question number 14. So Rohit has some 50 paise coins, some 2 rupee coins, and some 1 rupee coins, and some 5 rupee coins. So the value of all the coins will be rupees 50. So number of 2 rupee coin is 5 more than that of 5 rupee coins. So 50 paise coins are double in number than 1 rupee coins. So value of 50 paise coins and 1 rupee coins is rupees 26. So how many 2 rupee coins does he have? So friends, one of the important questions. So first of all, let me understand the concept, right? So Rohit is having totally 50 rupees, right? I think the value of all the coins will be 50 rupees. And the coins are distributed in some of the coins like 50 paise, 2 rupee, 1 rupee and 5 rupees. So friends, listen carefully, friends. So 50 paise coins are there, and also next will be 2 rupee coins, right? 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee coins and also 5 rupee coins. So when we add all the coins, the resultant value will be 50 rupees, right? But our target to find how many 2 rupee coins does the person Rohit have, and they have given some important data that the value of all the coins will be 50. So number of 2 rupee coins is 5 more than that of 5 rupee coins, right? So number of 2 rupee coins will be 5 more than that of 5 rupee coins, and I think our target to find what is the value of how many 2 rupee coins does the person is having. So let me assume, friends, listen carefully, friends, let me assume that the 2 rupee coins be x, right? So 2 rupee coins, let me assume it's as x. So 2 rupee coins can be kept as 2x, and we already know that, listen carefully, friends, 50 paise coins, right? So 50 paise coins are double in number than 1 rupee coin. So value of 50 paise coin and 1 rupee coin will be rupees 26. It's a direct statement, right? So the total value of 50 paise coin and also 1 rupee coin will be 26 rupees. It's a direct statement, friends. So we can directly say that the total 50 paise and 1 rupee coin, the total amount will be 26 rupees, right? And 2 rupee coin, let me assume as 2x. And the 5 rupee coin, friends, listen carefully, friends, and the 5 rupee coin will be x minus 5. Why? Because they have already told the number of 2 rupee coins is 5 more than 5 rupee coins, right? So let me assume that 5 rupee coins will be 5 minus x. So 2 rupee coin can be kept as 2x, and 5 rupee coin can be 5 into x minus 5, and the total rupees will be 50 minus, so 50 paise and 1 rupee, the total value will be 26 rupees, right? So 2x plus 5 into x minus 5 can be written as 5x minus 25. So 5x minus 25 is equals to 24. So 5x plus 2x will be 7x. So 7x is equal to 24 plus 25. So 7x is equal to 49. So finally we go x is equal to 7. So finally we can say that 2 rupee coins, the number of 2 rupee coins will be 7, right? Or otherwise, if you can substitute the values here and check whether we are getting 50 rupees or not, right? So friends, listen carefully. We already know that 50 paise and 1 rupee will be, total amount will be 26 rupees, right? And the 2 rupee coins will be 7. So 7 into 2 will be 14, right? So next will be 5 rupees. So I think we already know that 5 into x minus 5, the value of x will be 7. So 7 minus 5 will be 2. So 5 into 2 will be 10. So when we add all the values, 26 plus 10 will be 40. So 40 plus 10 will be 50. So finally we are getting 50 rupees, which is answer is correct. Or otherwise you can go from the option, right? If option x is equal to 6, x is equal to 7, or x is equal to 8, by substituting the values here, check whether we are getting 50 rupees or not, right? So friends, always remember that. So try to write this expression correctly. So if you write this expression correctly, you can correct this question. The last question in set number 3. The largest and the smallest angle of a triangle are in a ratio 3:1 respectively. The second largest angle of a triangle is equals to 44. So what is the value of 150% of the largest angle of a triangle? So friends, it's one of the easy question, right? We already know that if it is a triangle, should have 3 angles, and all the sum of 3 angles is equals to 180 degree. And here the largest and the smallest angle of a triangle are in a ratio 3:1. So let me assume that the largest angle will be 3x and the smallest angle will be 1x, and we already know that the second largest angle will be 44. So sum of 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. So I think this will be 4x. So 4x is equal to 180 degree minus 44 degree. So 4x is equal to 136 degree. So I think we need to subtract this, right? So 136, I think we need to divide this. When we divide this, 4 3s are 12, a remainder will be 1, so 34 degree, right? So finally we got x is equal to 34 degree. But our target to find what is the value of 150% of largest angle, where the largest angle will be 3x, right? So 3x will be the largest angle of a triangle. So 3 into 34, so 34 into 3, right? So 4 into 3 will be 12, remainder will be 1, which is 102. So finally we can say that the largest angle of a triangle will be 102, but our target to find what is the value of 150% of the largest angle. So we need to find what is 150% of 102. So friends, this 150% can be done as 100% plus 50%. So 100% of 102 will be 102. So 50% will be 51. When we add both the values, the resultant answer will be 153 degree. So 150% of the largest angle of a triangle will be 153 degree, will be the answer for the last 15th question in set number 3.